everybody, I'm Butterfly Hello. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new here, welcome. Well, today we have got a unboxing. Oh, by the way, on my channel, we do witchy how-tos, huge crystal hauls, unboxings of course, and we're going to be doing rituals. I got a ritual in mind, as a matter of fact, for Ostara. So yeah. If you like my channel and my videos, make sure you hit like and subscribe. Ring that bell, everybody. Ring that bell. Alright, you guys. So we got an unboxing. This is the Sugar Muses Deluxe box. This is the first time that I'm getting the largest tier. And the largest tier is $58, I believe. $58, including shipping and handling. All right. Ooh. We've got a Ostara Book of Shadows page. I'm losing my voice again, guys. I don't know what's going on with me. Man. All right, hold on. There might be tea in here, so we are going to heat up some water. And let me get my teacup. Oh, I forgot. I've got one in here. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, so we have got an Ostara artwork. Go ahead and bring that up here so you guys can see it. Look how beautiful that is. Gorgeous. Hold on, we will display everything. There we go. We got another Book of Shadows artwork. And I like how she's been doing this with the gemstone and the herb. So we're probably going to get some pink tourmaline and some lavender in here if I had to guess. Whoops. Love pink tourmaline. It says, pink tourmaline is a talismanic stone said to protect the user from negative energies. While performing magical work, it is also useful for spells involving self-confidence, personal power, rational thinking, and decision-making, promoting a clear view of reality through illusion and deception. For spells related to revealing the cause of trouble or the person at the root of it, this gemstone resonates with the heart chakra. Ooh. I guess, you know, pink. Only thing I would change is I would put the pictures of the stones in color. Like, I know it stands out would be in black and white, but like you can't even tell it's pink tourmaline because there's no color to it. Okay, lavender. Lavender's magical properties include happiness, longevity, love, peace, protection, purification, and peaceful sleep. The flowers are also burned to induce sleep or scattered around the house to bring peace. In fact, it is said that lavender is so powerful it is able to ease depression when gazed upon. That's crazy, guys. I did not know that. And put these guys there. Display that beautiful artwork. If that's by Christy, girl, you're doing good. Okay, Venice Mellow is my oracle card, and it's from Botanical Inspirations. Yeah. Put that there. Alright, you guys, let's get into it. By the way, I'm dyeing my hair burgundy probably tonight or tomorrow. Tell me what you guys think. This color is just so washed out. My natural strawberry blonde with like a real red hint to it, as you can see from the top. But this color is getting kind of washed out, and it's almost looking pink and, you know, in person. Ooh, looky here, you guys. We have got a pendulum board. Yes. Love it. And it's so velvety. Here, take a look, guys. Look at this. Do you guys love it? I love it. Oh. Hear that whistling? That means my water's done. We'll see if we get some tea in here. Okay, let's go ahead and look around to see if we can get some tea out of here. Is there tea in here? Hold on. Let me look at the cheat sheet. There is. There's some Ostara tea. But it looks like it's like hidden deep inside, guys. I don't want to show you guys what else is in the box, but I'd like... Oh, screw it. We'll just do it the normal way, okay? Alright, so first thing I see is matches. These matches are so cute. We got them in the Sugar Muses Midnight Muse box. And it was a smaller thing, but it had little butterflies on it. So cute. Looks like this is a botanical match set. Let's open them. Let's see what they look like. I am interested in finding out. Ooh. Okay, I just got a little sneak peek. Wait till you see the striker part. They are baby blue. I've never seen baby blue matches. I love these so much. Oh my goodness. I will probably not use these because I like them so much. Love, love, love those. I didn't open my one from the Midnight Muse box. I wonder what color they are. Haven't even opened them yet. Okay, that's a big item, so we don't want to do that. Alright, we've got some pink tourmaline in here and a really cute sachet. It's got like little tassels on it. It's fancy. Oh, and it's like flip-flop, purple and blue color. Oh, yes. That's a really good piece right there. Look at that. All that pink tourmaline in that piece. Look at this guy. Yes. Alright, so we'll put these guys right here. We have got, I think this is an oil. Yes, Spring Bloom Ritual Oil, 15 milliliter. How about we smell it, guys? Take a little whiff. It's a very light fragrance. Let's put it on. Oh, there we go. That brings it out. It's not overwhelming or nothing, but it's great. I don't know what that is, but that is awesome. I love that. That's what I would imagine spring to smell like. It's floral and creamy and, I don't know, delicious. We got some lavender. It says for divination, good luck, balance, sugar muses. Okay. I'm not going to get the big item yet. Here we go. I found the tea, guys. Ostara Organic Tea. Its ingredients are peppermint leaf, lemongrass, spearmint leaf, lemon verbena, licorice root, cloves, and lemon balm. Caffeine free. I'm going to love this, I feel like. Yes, I am going to just absolutely adore this. Let's get our teapot. Do just a bit. I'm only doing 1 little cup. Well, no. I'll do a regular size. There we go. But my cup is tiny. Wait till you see it. It's little. Alright, let's get the water. Hot, hot, hot. There we go. There we go. Make sure I put some more water in that bad boy. We'll let this steep. Alright, and we'll move on with the box. We have got little wormies. And it looks like a candle. Oh, upside down. Oh, you guys. It's got some pink rose. Definitely some lavender, it looks like. Ooh. And it smells delicious. And it's got glitter. Oh my god, glitter. You guys, I absolutely adore glitter. What girl don't, you know? You show me a girl that don't like glitter. At least on, like, maybe not in makeup, but like on other stuff. There's something wrong. She's just not that happy of a girl because glitter will make you happy. Alright, we got a lavender bundle. I believe that's a lavender bundle. It's my first lavender bundle, if it is. Oh, by the way, I'm quarantined. I have the COVID. Well, my husband tested positive for the COVID, so that means that I probably have it too, you know, from kissing and, you know, all that stuff. So, yeah, we're quarantined. So, yeah. We get real bored in the next few days, guys. Really bored. We got another sachet. This one's a silky one. It's got... Ooh, a wood pendulum. I don't think I have a wood one yet. Oh, it's got a little knot in it. I'll have to get that out. Look at my little wood pendulum. Ain't he cute? Yes. Yes, he is. Show me yes. It's not one to do it. Hold on. Show me yes. Hold on, I moved. Show me yes. Okay, back and forth. Show me no. Side to side. See that? Okay. Oh, you can't see that. Don't look at that. Now I just can't see it yet. Okay. Second to the last item, guys. Ooh. What is this? Rainbow hematite, maybe? Magnetite? Hematite? I know it's rainbow something, but isn't that beautiful, guys? I love that. I will be cleansing and charging that and wearing that very soon. Okay, guys. Time for the big item. Can you tell what it is? Huh? Do you know? I think I know. I'm not going to say because I don't want to look stupid. But, yes it is. Yes, it is. And I was just looking at these, okay? Like the same exact, ooh, not the same exact one. These are a little bit better, I think. Yes, I love this one. So pretty. Man, look at that. It's got a pinnacle for protection. Isn't that nice? How about we light it? Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. This crazy candle's like flaking off though. I just absolutely love torches. I have to use the torch like all the time. We will put some of this ritual oil in there. See how good it smells. I'll let you know. Alright, I think that's it, guys. Usually we get incense, but I think since we got the oil burner, that like kind of counted for our incense. Yep, that's it, guys. Get this big thing out of my way. Put all these fire hazards out of my way. There we go. Now we can chill that over there. Ooh, okay, it's starting to get hot. Because I can see a little bit of smoke. Alright, you guys, we're going to try our tea. And I don't know about you guys, but look, I have to have honey in my tea. So let me grab some honey. Alright, best honey ever would have to be this B-Boys honey. Very, very good. It's local and unprocessed, so I love it. It kind of chunks up though, that's the only thing. It does chunk up a little bit, see it? Alright, we got our teapot. This is my teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Tip me over and pour me out. There we go. Look at that color. If that's not a green tea, I don't know what is. Look at that beautiful color. Gorgeous. Maybe it's a white tea. I don't know. I don't know what you would call it. Herbal tea, maybe? My teacup got a little bit of the tea leaves in my tea. Hope that's enough. I like my tea really sweet, guys. I'm a sweet person. Okay. Oh, got this off Amazon. Isn't it cute? Husband got this for me. So pretty. It's working, guys. Okay. Bear with me. I do not have my glasses on and my voice is like leaving me. Okay. I'm not going to read it all, but I don't know about you, but I've been dreaming about spring for the last few weeks. We have had a rough winter here in the Northeast, and I am so done with the snow. The good news is that Ostara, the spring equinox, is on March 20th, right around the corner. The little signs are showing up everywhere. The dogwood tree in the front of my garage has tiny buds on the tips of the branches. The robin that visits my backyard is quite plump, and I think she is looking for the perfect tree to nest her babies. Blah, 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 blah. And I admit I have already started planning for my spring flower beds and herb gardens. I just want to show you guys something, okay? So I'm going to turn this camera around and show you all of my little babies that I'm growing here. Look at all those. Started them from seeds, a bunch of flowers. I got some moonflowers, sunflower, morning glory, marigolds, money plants, borage, sage, calendula, and cosmos. Oh, and sweet pea. But yeah, I've got a lot going on. Oh, that smells really good. It smells very, very good. All right, let's finish reading. My husband just came in the door. Okay, one of the 8 festivals of the Wheel of the Year, Ostara, is named after the Scandinavian goddess for spring, and by her Anglo-Saxon name, Ostari, Ostari, or Ostar. She is also said to be a goddess of fertility and of the dawn. The dawn. The first mention of her was in the 8th century, where pagans held the feast for her on the full moon. The legend tells of Ostar finding a bird wounded on the ground late in the winter season. To save its life, she transformed it into a hare, but the transformation was not a complete one. The bird took the appearance of a hare but retained the ability to lay eggs. The hare would then decorate these eggs and leave these as gifts to Ostar. So that's where the Easter Bunny came from. Okay, so a lot of our, regular holidays came from a pagan holiday. They're kind of copying off us pagans, so... Some deities to honor during Ostara included Ostar, Flora, Pan, Gaia. For some Wiccans, this is the principal holiday for worshiping the triple goddess, while others focus specifically worshiping the maiden and her association with spring. spells/rituals. Acknowledge the new growth of nature around you. Burn fires in celebration of the returning light. Begin setting the soil for your gardens. Perform spells for abundance, fertility, and new growth. Alright. Dried lavender bundle. I was right about that. Alright. Spring bloom ritual oil. It says oils can be used to anoint candles, spell items, and altar tools. Because this is 100% organic and free of alcohol, phthalates, and other chemicals, I suggest using it within 6 months. Ritual oils may be worn as perfume to carry your magical intentions with you throughout the day and night. For external use only. Keep away from children and pets. Oh, okay. It says this magical oil blend contains vanilla, sandalwood, and floral essential oils in an almond oil base. I said it smelled creamy. I knew it smelled something like that. Wonder if this is too hot to taste. I can't wait to taste it. I love peppermint tea. That is to die for. Perfect. Oh my god, that is good. Gotta get another sip. Baby, you want some of this?
What is it?
Peppermint tea.
Okay.
Okay.
Appreciate that.
Say hi to everybody.
Hi, everybody. Hi, America.
Come here. Come here.
America.
Mr. Corona. We got the Corona.
We do have the corona, unfortunately.
Yeah. Step down so everybody can see you. This is my husband.
Hi, everybody.
Mr. Corona. I'm Mrs. Corona today.
America.
For the next 2 weeks.
Love you.
I love you. Spring candle, which smells just delicious.
Let me tell you, your egg thingy-majiggers are hard. I don't know if I got the right one.
Botanical Inspirations Matchbox, right here. Organic lavender, that is this. Hold on. Put it up to the camera. Forgot to do that with these two things too. Sorry about that, guys. I am slipping. And the matchbox. So pretty. Raw tourmaline in matrix. So, like, I think that when a stone is inside of something, they call it a matrix. Here we go. Look at that beautiful piece, guys. Gorgeous. Oh, I didn't even show you the good side. That's its good side. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, you guys noticed I got my nose pierced. What do you think? Do you like it? Let me know. Pendulum mat and pendulum. Pendulum mat. And pendulum. Baby, you're going to have to get this knot out of this pendulum I got. Wooden pendulum. Ostara organic tea. And I love how she puts on there that it has 0 caffeine or it has caffeine. Because there's some people with heart problems or caffeine like sensitivities. Kind of like me. I'm not supposed to drink caffeine, but I do. Because I've got congestive heart failure. But but anyways, I do adore the fact that she puts that on the back of these. And she includes a little tea bag. which I usually save for foot soaks and stuff like that. So I can just put the salt in there and soak my feet. Or not foot soaks, but showers. Put the bath salt in there and kind of just use it as a scrubber in the shower if you don't feel like taking a bath. Sometimes taking a bath is just a long, drawn-out process.
Just for you, baby.
Ceramic oil / wax burner. This hand-glazed oil burner features a protective pentagram on both sides, used to heat oils or wax melt. I like to sprinkle some dried herbs into the oil as well. To use, place the diffuser on a safe platform that can tolerate heat away from anything flammable. Fill the top with some water. Add a few drops of your I didn't know you were supposed to add water to that. Whoops. Maybe I should blow that out. I always just put straight oil in there. Gosh, well, thanks for telling me, Christy. Okay, and the rainbow hematite bracelet. I was right. Throughout history, hematite was also called the iron rose. It has been known as a stone of great healing power and also for its ability to serve as a grounding protective cloak. For those who are high empaths, hematite jewelry is a must-have. Rainbow hematite is useful in astral travel and divination work to protect and ground the spirit. Art prints by Christy. You did a good job, girl. Intuitively drawn oracle card. Okay, so you see my oracle card. Alright, guys. I think that's it. This was a great box. Thank you, Christy. You did a very good job. I'm going to enjoy sipping on this tea and probably lay back. I don't really feel that bad, guys. Got a little bit of body aches and stuff, but other than that, I'm okay. So I don't know why they say Corona's so bad. Maybe it's going to get worse. Who knows? Alright, guys. I hope it don't. Pray for me, okay? Send me blessings. Alright. Thanks, guys. Blessed be. Love and light.